Here I got some JBL Platinum Series speakers to take apart for you guys. These are Hewlett Packard speakers, well, for HP computers. I'm gonna take the one with the amplifier boards inside apart. Product China. These are not bad speakers. They sound pretty good. They go to the side of your monitor. They're just budget speakers. Here's what the grill looks like. It's removable. I would prefer it to be permanent, so kids won't poke in the dust cap. These are ported enclosures. Sometimes the screw comes out, sometimes they don't. At least they have a cloth surround. Foam would be bad because it would deteriorate like eventually. Some foam might be able to last like 100 years or more, maybe. So far I've seen 90 speakers still intact foam, such as the Alta Glancing speakers. I still have the subwoofer that still has the surrounds intact. Foam is lasting a lot more than usual than the foam from like the 80s. It's not gonna come apart yet, maybe. I'm gonna try to pause. You actually have to remove the screws from the driver too. So here we go. These are long screws. That's a short screw. It's gonna be a long video though, probably. Here's what the driver looks like. It's only 3-watt Samsung drivers. They're not JBL, but they're good. They're not bad speakers. I think, well, definitely Harman Kardon uses Samsung rebrand speakers. Hold on. Finally got this apart without breaking anything. So this comes off. It's not a bad driver, to be honest. Let's filter bugs. Ew. Here's the amplifier board. I'm gonna pull this out for you. Let's take a close look at the board. I'll screenshot the chip for, in case if you want to see it easier. It's hard to see. They ain't the Class AB amp for though. There we go. Try to flip it. Sit down. That's how it looks like. Looks like it's made in China 458C. Let's take a closer look here. Yeah, it doesn't work well at 5x. It's just digital zoom. I think this is the amplifier. This is something else. I'm not gonna remove this because it's soldered to the board. But it's pretty beefy. Now let's take a look at the other speaker. You don't have to remove the top screws, but you have to remove the bottom ones. For sure. Oh, I almost hooked into the surrounds. I don't want to do that. These are basically not real JBL speakers. These Samsung drivers. But they're still not bad. They're still pretty good for what they are. Like the Harman Kardon HK395 uses Samsung drivers. All the speakers, including the subwoofer, Samsung. They should just name these as Samsung speakers. That makes more sense. Lose anything. Got the buzz out of the other speaker. Okay, got the other speaker apart. It's just the same thing almost. Yeah, Samsung rebrand drivers. Nothing else inside. There were bugs in there, but I removed them with tape. Electrical tape there. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.